Hello.
Josh Gad, attur Amerikan li għandu 44 sena u għal-vuċi popolari ta' Olaf mill-film Frozen 1 u 2 segwit minn miljuni ta' tfal madwar id-dinja. U wkoll ħasem f'diversi films popolari fosthom il-film Pixels ma' Adam Sandler, Beauty and the Beast, The Wedding Ring u Murder on the Orient Express. Staqsejtu kif jirnexxielu jagħmel suċċess f'kull rwol li jidħol għalih.
You know, I don't sleep much. I try to always challenge myself to do things outside the box, things that make me scared or uncomfortable at times. And so, you know, I've been very blessed to sort of dabble in every part of this industry, from stage to the big screen to the small screen and now in publishing.
F'diversi intervisti li jagħmel fuq stazzjonijiet Amerikani, Josh Gad tkellem dwar kif hu meta kien żgħir issiret ma' sfidi ta' saħħa mentali u għajla kien joħroġ mid-dar.
There was a time when I couldn't even leave my house where I was so anxious. And because I was able to get the help I needed, I want other people to know that help exists and that there is light at the end of the tunnel and that there is a way to overcome those things that at times make you feel like a prisoner in your own body.
Qabel daħal l-intervista Fort Ricasli, Josh Gad sar qisu tifel jieħu ritratti tas-set inkredibbli ta' Gladiator 2 li ġie rranġat mill-Kummissjoni Maltija tal-Films biex jitgawda mill-pubbliku. Staqsejtu għaliex ħassu tant eċitat b'dan is-set u x'jaħseb dwar l-industrija tal-films f'Malta.
I fell in love with movies at a very young age. One of those movies being Popeye with my idol Robin Williams. Being in Malta and the cinema history that Malta has and the thriving industry that exists here right now as we speak, it's incredible. It's an amazing place with an amazing history.
Josh Gad huwa wieħed minn ħafna atturi kbar li qed jieħdu sem fil-Festival Mediterrane din il-ġimgħa imtella mill-Kummissjoni Maltija tal-Films, ġimgħa b'ċelebrazzjoni tal-100 sena ta' films miġbuda f'Malta, wiri ta' films għall pubbliku master classes ma' produtturi u veterani fl-industrija dinjija tal-films. Il-festival jagħlaq il-ħadd li ġej.